Hello guys, welcome back. In this class we are going to continue styling our project with Bootstrap. So last class we started doing the template inheritance, and as well we integrate with Bootstrap via CDN. Okay, so in this class what we are going to do is we will use a little bit of this template, this grid system, sorry, and as well this Jumbotron. So, first thing that I want to do, we're going to copy this guy here, and here in the base template, here in this one, we are going to wrap this main block with this container. So Bootstrap has a grid system that should be using this container. The container will take care of the flow of your columns, so you can divide your template in columns using rows and containers, and for every row you can have multiple columns. So the first step is creating a container. Okay, so if we go here now and if we refresh the page, first of course we need to run the server, but the server is running. What's the problem? Let me check it out. Okay. Okay. No, I was running the wrong command. So run server like this. Okay. And then we refresh the page here, and as you can see, now we have a little bit of space right here, and from the top, if you have any element above, you're gonna have the below, sorry, you're gonna have a space as well, and to the right side as well. So it's looking a little bit better already. So if you do log out and log in, you can see that will be the same. So now we have a little bit of margin here and here. Okay, so it's a little bit better, and once we did this on the base, all the other templates will get the same result out of the box. Okay, good. Other thing that I want to use is the Jumbotron class. So it wraps your content with with this kind of gray box. If you don't like it, you don't need to do. Okay, so it's just basically because I like it. I think that looks nice, so I'll do div class Jumbotron. Oops, I had it already, so I'll remove this guy here. I'll paste that, and I'll close the div. Okay, if I go back, I did that on login. So if I do log out and login, okay, now I have this box wrapping the content. I think it's nice. I will do the same with this guy here. So as I said, this course is not about like styling things. So if you are not happy with this, you can style the way that you think it's better. It's just something, just a one plus. Okay, so we have the Jumbotron here as well. If you do new client, we can have the same. So here I think will be form this guy right here, and then Jumbotron. You could do the same on base, okay, but I don't want the Jumbotron in all the page, just in few pages, so for me it looks better. Okay, that's two things that we need to do. And we can close this guy now. And another thing that I want to show you is how to use Django Bootstrap form. This guy here is an integration between Django and Bootstrap forms. It will automatically render the Bootstrap form tags into your form. So it's very simple to use. So you just install the plugin. Okay, install the plugin. As well, every time we install a new plugin, you need to add that to the requirements.txt. Okay, if you need this plugin in Heroku and as well in your local machine, you include in this one. If it's just for Heroku, you include on this. Okay, and you put that on your apps on settings, and we go here in clients. Okay, in apps right here. Okay, register the app, and now we can load the Bootstrap into the form. So we go here in forms and we load Bootstrap, and then we integrate, we attach the Bootstrap to your form with pipe. Okay, pipe and paste. Oops, what I just did. um I don't know what's the form. Go back here in templates. Okay, I just closed the page. If we go back there and we update, the server is not running. And here we go. So now it looks super nice, guys. Very easy thing to do. So if we inspect the objects and we click in one form, we can see now that automatically Django Bootstrap form attach this form control into our forms, and now it looks very nice, much more organized, all of them with the same time, getting the whole line as well. If we scale the page, it automatically will render, so it will be responsive. Okay, so now our application is getting much better. If we go back here now and clients and do edit, we're gonna have the same result, and with our form already filled up. Okay, with everything in place. Very nice. Okay, and as well in the last class, we had a problem with the delete function. Okay, we had a problem right here. The problem was because here in models we had this on delete false. Okay, and it's not right. If I go back here and I click delete, I still have the same problem. No, I don't have the same problem yet, because I solved it when I was preparing the class. So I would just put it back the way it was before. You don't need to do the same. uh, Make migrations, migrate. Okay, basically what you need to do is here in on delete, instead of false, you need to put models dot cascade. Okay, once you did that, you go here and do make migrations and migrate. Okay, you did that, you need to go here and update the page, or of course run the server. Okay, and now I'll create a new client. Okay, like this and this. Save. Cool. If we click delete now, is everything working fine? Okay, so the problem was because we tried to put false here, it didn't work. So we needed to put the on cascade, and as well run the make migration and migrate. Okay, guys. So the last folder or template that we need to improve is this guy. I think I'll include the Jumbotron for this one as well. So if I go here, I will copy the Jumbotron. I'll put on the confirm, but as I said, if you don't like it, you don't need to put. Okay, cool. Update, and it's deleted. Okay, so now we have everything working fine. Okay, Next class, guys, what you are going to do, we are going to create a grid, a bootstrap grid, to list our clients in a like better way to do. And as well, we are going to use bootstrap buttons to style the buttons for our application. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, guys. I hope you could solve the problem as well with your delete, and as well you could successfully integrate the grids in the Jumbotron with the bootstrap. Okay, implement that on your machine, and if you have any problems or any queries, please let your comment here that I'm gonna help you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.